How to use append function in AutoLISP. Solution. This function adds lists together and returns as a one list. All specified arguments must be lists. Append list. Examples. Append list, 1 2 3, list, 4 5. Append list, A1, B2, list, C3, D4. Append list, how are you, list, I am good. See how it works. First we see the first example. Type append function and add 1 2 3 in first list and 4 5 6 in second list. Here you can see the result that both the list are added as one. Now we see the second example. Type append function and add A1 and B2 in brackets in first list and C3 and D4 in brackets in second list. Press enter. Here you can see the result that both the list are added as one with brackets. Now we see the third example. Type append function and add string how are you in first list and string I am good in second list. Press enter. Here you can see the result that both the strings in list are added as one.